Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the neonite fish and fish it. This is one of the new fish in the game and it can be found inside the lava basin. It is a legendary tire fish and the neonite fish can be found in any weather and also any time. Here, I'm going to show you the exact location where I got the legendary neonite fish. This is my first spot where I got the fish. And the second spot, I also fish near this waterfall right here. And I'm using the element road with singularity bait to get it. So if needed, you can also use your luck totem or luck potions to increase your odds to catch the neonite fish. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.